Official JavaScript is the client side, sir. We are going to discussing purely client side as a front end operations only. While learning some of the courses in future, you will get the server side also. Hmm. But if anybody they asked the question, it is a client side or server side. If they asked a question, what we have to answer, sir? Say both simple. Why arguing? Both. I'm client side, I'm also server side. Simple. By birth, I'm client. When I'm growing, I become as a server side. Very general process. How it is possible, sir? Simple thing. Basically, Rohit Sharma bowler, but he's got success in as a batsman. That is happens. Mm. And he's also got the title hitman. But he's not hitman originally. He's a bowler, spinner. A spinner is becomes as a hitman. Lot of old records on that name also. It is transforming one mode to another mode. That is called as transforming. So like that, it is basically spinner, but they can also do the batting very well. Meaning, next, is there any softwares we have to install to work with JavaScript, sir? Last session I covered already this point. Nothing to do. Daily, how you are practicing, how you are working, just follow the same procedure. No additional installations, no additional downloads. How I'm practicing daily, I'll continue the same procedure. How you are practicing daily, continue your own procedure. No changes, no special things. Next, last information, sir. JavaScript is a interpreter-based programming. Of course, HTML is also interpreter and JavaScript is also interpreter. I hope you know what is meaning of interpreter. And who will translate our program, sir? Who will execute our program, sir? Generally, answer is browser, sir. Browser will translate our program and browser will execute our program, obviously. No, sir, browser inside subcomponents available, sir. That names I want to know it, sir. These are the things. Our JavaScript program translate into machine code as well as the machine code to JavaScript code. So who is the responsibility, sir? And that person is called as the parser. JavaScript parser. What it is doing, sir? Your JavaScript high level code converted into machine level code as well as the machine level code into JavaScript high level code. Right. The parser responsibility is that one. Once the translation is completed, sir, next what? Execution starts. Who will run our program, sir? For program execution, we have the execution engines separately here. For execution of the program, we have the execution engines separately here. Every browser inside one engine is available. That engine is the responsible of memory allocations, execution, and outputs. Translation not responsible. Translation already who will take care about? Parser will take the translations. And this is only for the execution process. The code translation component is different. Code execution component is different. And where is these two, sir? Where is these two? It's inbuilt of the browser. Yellow color is there kada? Try to respond. Don't sit Mari too much lazily. I'm not getting interest to explain more points. Huh? Cut. Okay, na? And no topic is missing. 100%. Topics all covering. But I got this. Your wish. But remember, sir, these all are not my personal names, amma, predefined names. Why that name only? Please don't ask online students, first of all. I predefined names. I'm just sharing the information to you. Chrome, Edge, Opera, three browsers are using an engine. The name is called as V8. Why V8 only, sir? Contact the Google. That is the only choice. Why, sir? V8 is designed by the Google only. Next, Firefox browser is available. Which engine they are using, sir? Spider Monkey using. IE, Internet Explorer, Chakralu using. సంక్రాంతి ఫెస్టివల్ చక్రాలు ఉంటాయి కదా, అరిసెల చక్రాలు, దట్ వన్ అది. నెక్స్ట్ సఫారీ బ్రౌజర్, ఫిష్ యూజింగ్. స్క్వేరల్ ఫిష్. ఓహో. సో these are the some of popular browsers I mentioned here. Repeating the points, sir. Parser converting the high level code into binary code into high level code. Once the translation completed, sir, this translated code handoffs to the engine. Engine allocating the memory for your translated code, running, output producing. Whenever the output produces, sir, memory deallocated. That is engine's responsibility. And parser engine is working together inside your browsers. They're always Jan Jigris, thick friends. They're always working together inside the browsers. Actually, why I informed these and these are your interview questions. When you are trying as a JavaScript developer or UI developer, these questions asked a lot of times on Madhu. Then only I'm sharing that information. That's all. Hmm? Engine అంటే నథింగ్ స్పెషల్ సార్. ఇక్కడ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద బైక్స్, స్కూటీస్. ఇంజిన్ అవైలబుల్. How a bike contains the engine, that engine helping to move the bike or to move the car. Like that, our browser inside also one engine available. This engine helps to run your program. That engine is helps to drive your vehicle. This engine is helps to run your program. అది. Engines names could be variety available. That either we can't do anything. Just by heart it only. Mm. Mm. What is the extension of JavaScript file? Sir, with awareness you are asking, without awareness you are asking. Huh? Very silly question kada adi. Huh? HTML programs extension what? Shaker? Oh, Shaker. HTML programs extension what? HTML. CSS programs extension what? What JavaScript programs extension what? Then why you are asking me? Huh? So think we are not thinking, Huh? 1 minute also we are not thinking, right? Thinking, thinking us, not thinking, sir. We have to confirm. HTML.html, CSS.css. Already 2 times you know that one, 2 subjects completed. Obviously, third subject what it will comes? Huh? JavaScript.js అని anybody saying అది. Simple pattern continues. మళ్ళీ థింకింగ్, థాట్, డౌట్. These things. This is the small introduction about the JavaScript, sir. I'm just minimizing the screen. What are the points I asked? One by one, I am asking the offline candidates points. Online candidates, please be patient. A few minutes. Get a personal talks available. Last Rose Boys, 1995. Sure, huh? What is the actual name of the JavaScript? Bochana. ఏం బుచ్చేసామే మోచానా ఓ సారీ we have fish one flavor one of that model of the fish బొచ్చ తెలుసా తెలుగు స్టేట్స్ లో అది బాగా ఫేమస్ బొచ్చెలు అంటారు వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫిష్ అది కృష్ణా గోదావరి ఏరియా బాగా ఫేమస్ అది ఫిష్ కృష్ణా డెల్టా అండ్ గోదావరి డెల్టా మోచానా బోషానా మోచానా దట్ నేమ్ చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు దట్ నేమ్ చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు దట్ వన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు నాట్ చేంజ్ ఇట్ ఎనీథింగ్ దట్ ఈస్ ద that is the last name that not change it to any other name. It is a final name and then JavaScript to Java any tie-ups? JavaScript to Java software any tie-ups? No tie-ups. Just name is matching. That's all. We don't have any relation or interlinking between the Java means core Java to JavaScript. Name matching, sir, and it's accidentally happens, sir. Sometimes it happens. Because see that one, Shiva Kumaru, Shiva Leela, two candidates. But Shiva matching. The core Java, the JavaScript, one word is matching. Here also, so I think Madam Angunda maybe. So one of the madam name is Shiva Leela and my name is Shiva Kumar. Shiva matching. We both are same? No, kada? Then we'll try one more word. Kumar. Oh, so many Kumars are there. Ashok Kumar, Kiran Kumar, Manoj Kumar, Ashish Kumar, Ganesh Kumar, Akil Kumar, Rakesh Kumar. We all are same, cousins, siblings, no. So like that, Java and JavaScript name is also matching, sir, but there are no connections and relations. But with which is library we have the connections, sir? JavaScript to which library we have the connection? ECMAScript, ECMA script. Java to JavaScript, no interaction officially and unofficially. Remember that. But JavaScript to ECMAScript, we have the tie-up operation, integration operations are available. ECMA script, full form. Ooh. बोलिए. No. Sleeping, huh? No. Okay, full form, leave it. In which year JavaScript, ECMAScript tie up? Which year? Year 1995. Sure, huh? 1997. అందుకే నోట్స్ రాస్తే ఇక్కడ గుర్తుంటది. ECMAScript to JavaScript, we have the tie-ups from the 1997, sir. Before that, we don't have any tie-ups, right? What is the relation between these two, sir? ECMAScript is inventing the new topics, new concepts. Those all the concepts and features JavaScript is implementing in their subject. Those we are learning as a subject implementing in our programs. Simple things, sir. As a faculty, I given some assignment. What you are doing, sir, and interested candidates, they are implementing that assignment. Completed assignments, sir? Assignments completed, 10 or 12 assignments I posted together. Huh? No, no. Oh, yesterday the CSS completed. Today we'll get the assignments. At the end of the CSS, we are sharing the assignments. Somewhat today I'll post the assignments. Okay, sorry. So as a faculty, we are giving the assignment. Really, if you want to learn the practice subject and getting the practice, you are solving that one. Assignment, giving the task. I developed assignment. No. I just designed the assignment. Coding, who is writing? You are good. And a task given by myself, task is implemented by yourself. So I am the ECMAScript, you are the JavaScript. Like that, I'm going to giving the number of tasks like that, the tasks you are going to implementing. The relation between the JavaScript and ECMAScript is that one. Hmm? Next one, JavaScript is client side or server side or sir? Actually client side, but it's also have the capability in server side also. So client side scripting, server side scripting, both available. But server side, we are learning in another technology. Here I'm going to covering the client side operations, sir. So JavaScript is object-oriented programming, sir. Yes, sir, object-oriented, but they have the special flavor. It is called as the prototype. Object-oriented, but they have the special style that is called as the prototype. We don't know what is prototype, sir. The future explanations. No, sir. Up to that, we are unable to control ourselves, sir. Excitement, anxiety, sir. Kutuhalam, Atram, Telugu. I'll give the small sentence here. Object-oriented programming, Java.NET, pure object-oriented, right? In object-oriented, what happens? The procedures are, right? First, you have to create the class, and the class followed by the object, the actual procedure in OOPS, original OOPS. But when it comes to prototyping concepts, sir, we are not creating any class, sir. Directly, we are creating the objects. The prototyping concept. No need to design any classes. No need to waste the time. Because I'm lightweight. You don't know now. I'm lightweight. Not me. The family pack. I know that one. My program is lightweight. I'm double family pack. Hmm? So without writing the classes, we are directly creating the objects. As a common student, you can't understand this point and you can't identify the power of this point. But a Java.NET students, you can easily identify the power of that point. Java.NET candidates, of course, maybe Python candidates also. This procedure, long procedure, time taken, and this one is object creation. How many is maximum? One line or two lines? That's all. Class creation, so many lines. One class you want to create, sometimes you have to write the 50 lines of program. Class inside properties, constructor, setter methods, getter methods. Oh, so many you have to write. But the classes we don't need to create in the JavaScript. Direct attack to offset. How it is possible, sir? Without attending the exam, first class marks and matter. Possibilities. Without attending the interview, 6 lakhs offer letter released. Possible. Backdoor. Not attended any drives. Not attended any rounds. No HR, no something. No technical, no GDs. But pay the money, directly offer letter releases. Consultancies are doing the same thing only. They are managing interviews. If you pay some money, directly offer letter. Possibility is there. So every way, every option we have, grassroots are available. American grassroots are available. Hmm? The prototype is simple points, sir. Detailedly, 20 days after a point is comes, a topic is comes. Next one, JavaScript is interpreted oriented. Hmm? Who translates the JavaScript program? Browser inside. Parser. Who executes our program? Engines. In our daily systems, which browser you are using? Regular laptops, which browser you are using daily? Chrome, Edge, Chrome. So what is the engine of Chrome? So that is the thing. The middle one point pending, sir. Girls, list out 3 features of JavaScript. Chicken biryani, mutton biryani, speed, lightweight, dynamic. Boys, remaining points, railway platform. క్రాస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్స్ లూజ్లీ టైప్డ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రీవేర్ ఓపెన్. లాస్ట్ 2 points leave it sir. Remaining interoperability, cross platform, extending functionality, dynamically typed, loosely typed. Next, speed, lightweight. Seven, that 7 points remember. Why sir ante interviews point of view only. Generally asking sir, when you are attending the interview based on the Java sir, Java interviews you are attending. Compulsory interviewer asking what is the special of your Java. You have to explain the Java features. What is that, sir? Robust, high secured, platform independent. Every subject, one feature is available. At least some features you must know when you are going to the interviews, especially. Normal days, no use, but interviews are the compulsory. Next, coming to the next explanation, sir. Sir, you explain all advantages, features, benefits, something only. Really, we don't have any drawbacks, sir. I mean, 1 month back also I said, sir, every subject drawbacks compulsory. On HTML also we have drawbacks. We can't define your own tags. At starting days of HTML, I said that one. What are the tags they provided? That only you can use. Sir, I need this type of output. Best example. I want to display the date in HTML, sir. No tag. Current date I want to display in the HTML, sir. There is no tag. Then only I am also not explained. I want to display the current time, sir. There is no tag in HTML. Then only we are not discussed. But if I want to display the current date and time in the right corner, sir, JavaScript is required. So one for tag missing. But I interested to develop my own tag. Supporting a HTML? Not supporting. It's a drawback only. So user defined or customizing of the tags are not possible. One more drawback, sir, errors. It's not showing error. Error identification, కన్ఫర్మ్ అది. ఏమంటారు తెలుగులో దాన్ని? సో ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్నింగ్, అవుట్పుట్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ యాజ్ పర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఎర్రర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. హౌ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై ఎర్రర్? సో లైన్ బై లైన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్రాస్ చెక్. It is not an easy task, sir. Like that, here also we have few drawbacks. What is the drawback, sir? Programming structure is the first drawback. Structure of the program is the first drawback. I said lightweight, a lightweight or problem, sir. But 3-4 days seriously if you sit on the JavaScript and daily first 3-4 days if you daily practice the programs, that becomes as a very wonderful feature for us. Normally we'll feel like as a drawback, sir, but it becomes as a very, very useful and helpful feature. What is the meaning of that, sir? And in JavaScript, we don't have any specific structure. But C, Java, .NET, you must start the program from here. You must end the program with this one. Order of documentation like this compulsory. First header files, next functions, main, a sequence available. But JavaScript not like that, sir. You can start from any line, you can end with any line. No specific pattern అది. మన ఏమంటారు మూవీస్ లో ఏదో స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఏదో సంథింగ్ కాలింగ్ కదా, దానికి ఏదో వెరైటీ నేమ్స్ కాలింగ్ కదా. నౌ జైలర్ మూవీస్ లో సంథింగ్ 3 characters ఆర్ అవైలబుల్. క్యామియోన్స్. ఓకే, ఓల్డెన్ డేస్ లో అయితే గెస్ట్ అపీరెన్స్ ఆర్ గెస్ట్ రోల్స్ అని వీఆర్ కాలింగ్. అంటే వన్ హీరో స్టోరీ, సడన్లీ వన్ హీరో ఈస్ కమింగ్ హెల్పింగ్ అండ్ గోయింగ్ ఆల్సో. మన సల్మాన్ ఖాన్ టైగర్ 3 ఆల్సో షారుఖ్ ఖాన్ ఈస్ కమింగ్. షారుఖ్ ఖాన్ మూవీ సల్మాన్ ఖాన్ ఈస్ కేమ్. విచ్ మూవీ అది? పఠాన్. Pathan movie, a train fight to Salman Khan, he suddenly came helping it. Where it is came? Directly from the sky. In Tiger 3 also, Shah Rukh Khan, where it came suddenly? From sky, the helicopter. Suddenly it came. That's not Shah Rukh Khan movie, Salman Khan movie. Salman Khan in trouble. Shah Rukh came suddenly helping and going out. That's it. And like that, suddenly coming, going. That is the structure of the JavaScript. On specific uniform format is not available. Why that type of the designs are ending? JavaScript is always integrated with other subjects. JavaScript with HTML. I already said that JavaScript with .NET, JavaScript with Python, JavaScript something. When you are integration process, so how you can follow your own structure? I'm going to mingling with the others. So my body should be bent with this programming structure. I should be managed with this program. The initial 5 to 6 examples, it feels something different, sir. But seriously, if you practice without neglecting, sixth day onwards, but dead easy JavaScript and feeling is come, sir. Simple thing. So a programming structure is one of the little bit of typical things, sir. Cameo, na. Okay. Next, another drawback. Just I said that this is it's a single threaded, but not the multi-threaded. But most of our languages are the multi-threaded. Java started, if you go for any of that one next level concepts, everything is multi-threaded. One C language is single threaded. Next JavaScript single threaded. Remaining all subjects are the multi-threaded. Already introduction of your languages, your faculty, they said also. Our subject is multi-threaded. We can do the multiple operations. That is one of the drawback. The more drawbacks are not correct to discuss. Subject interest gone. We have, but not go to exploring. Or when you are going to exploring that more drawbacks are no, you can never go to touching that one. It just the 2 points remember in that one. Next, you are going to React or Angular together conformly. Majority of the students are React faculty explaining the drawbacks of the JavaScript because they want to highlight the React subject or the compulsory. If I want to highlight one person, compulsory I have to degrade one person. The common. Okay, sir. But now the $1,000,000 of question. Sir, we are going to learning JavaScript, sir. What is the use? What we can do with JavaScript? Where we can use the JavaScript? First, I'll cover the where we can use. So JavaScript we can use in the different environments and different types of applications, sir. One is web application developmentation. JavaScript we can use. Second one is mobile applications. My Android apps, iOS apps is there, na sir. The apps inside also they are going to using the JavaScript. Mobile apps, any Android platform, go Samsung platform, or BlackBerry or iOS platform. Mobiles related any apps inside JavaScript we can use, and we are using also already. Next one, sir, gaming applications, sir. The gaming applications also they're developed in the JavaScript. And the next one, sir, networking applications. Networking applications also they're using the JavaScript. Gaming as well as the networking. As on the market, I think the React to one step ahead compared to Angular. React one step ahead compared to Angular. Network applications. And the next one is animations implementations, graphical operations. Animations is nothing but then graphics, animations. And now the JavaScript is entered into slowly AI also. But percentage less, sir. Up to 5%, 5% only JavaScript is used. Out of 100% linear environment, JavaScript used currently up to 5% only. Maybe day to day is increasing the percentages also. So these are the different areas to use the JavaScript. Our main concept is web applications. This knowledge, if you have in future in this environment also, this knowledge you can implement and it is helpful for you. Maybe application areas. Then next last point, sir. But anybody they asked the question, what is the use of JavaScript, sir? In single line answer, to develop interactive web pages. JavaScript is used to develop interactive web pages. Yes, sir. Single line answer that one. So JavaScript advantage what, sir? And use it to develop interactive web pages. What is the meaning of this interaction or interactive, sir? Web page is available. By using CSS, HTML, we are designing the web page. But that web page can communicate with the user as well. Not possible. Designing, data presenting, that's all. Just watch the page and close it. Hi web page. Simple thing. No communication between the user and web pages, sir. I want to provide the interaction between the end user and the web page. A bridge required. The bridge is the JavaScript. But that pillar web page, there is no difference, sir. Or this wall web page, there is no difference. What are the programs we developed? Almost 75 plus programs, sir. In all the 75 programs, so this wall, it is what it is doing, that also doing the same thing. When you are right now watching the projector, try to contact, communicate. Huh? Ask something. You can also ask something the TV. But LCD TV is there, back rows boys. किधर है sir? Where are you? Huh? Breakup problem అనుకుంటా. Breakup problem, huh? I'll help it. So they're unable to interact, sir. If you want to interact it, this is required. What is this one? Remote. By remote, we can communicate with the projector. And by using this remote, we can communicate with the TV. Like that, JavaScript is the mediator between the web page and end user. You ask anything the JavaScript, sorry, web page, they should respond. That is called as interaction. Without JavaScript, web page designing possible, but not interactable pages. What they are showing, you are just watching and leaving. And if you ask anything, that is not responding. And the page also should not ask anything you. You cannot ask, a page should not ask to you. Just showing, watch it and go it. Like a cinema theater's screen style. And that's movie theater's screen style. But yesterday we designed some application. Data entry also available, sir. Coming to that one. Yesterday we designed the login script. User typing the data also. But when I click on the login button, next coding operation required that you can't do with HTML and CSS. JavaScript required interaction. I given some two numbers, sir. Enter first number, enter second number. First text box one number, second text box another number. So how to find these two numbers sums are? Coding is required. So that is nothing but an interaction, sir. Simple and single line answer. Now the theoretical operations are over. We are starting with the programming. So first we are going to covering the areas. In which areas we can implement. Long back we worked with the CSS, inline, internal and external. Same again we are following. If I want to develop the JavaScript code, I have three options. Inline scripting, internal scripting, external scripting. What's very famous, you know. But previously you pronounced with the style. Now remove the style, place the script. Remaining meaning same, concept is also same. CSS removed, CSS place JavaScript entering. Boys, what is meaning of inline? Inside the tag. Girls, what is the meaning of internal? Internal means inside the style. Okay. inside the program, but not in the same line. But all of you, what is the meaning of external? Outside the program. And that code, HTML code, a particular code, అది maybe either CSS or JavaScript, both are separated. Same meanings in JavaScript, sir. Inline script, HTML tag, JavaScript, both comes to side by side. HTML tag, JavaScript, both are comes to side by side. This is tag, sir. Here we'll get the script. Script is comes and close this. This is internal, inline. A script, sir. It is JavaScript is comes. How to develop, we'll see later. And internal scripts, sir. JavaScript separate place, HTML separate place. For that, we have to use a special tag. It's called as the script tag. Previously, we used style tag. Now we have to use the script tag. So script tag inside JavaScript steps is comes and script tag is close. Where is the script tag, sir? Inside the program or outside the program? Inside the program, internal. Next one, the HTML program, sir. And this is the JavaScript program. This is HTML, that is JavaScript. And between these two, link available. This is called as the external. So a few days back, we discussed the same thing in CSS flavor. Now the same flavor, sir, component is going to changing. The overall explanations, because we know already inline meaning, internal meaning, and external meaning. Small changes. What is the small change, sir? And while writing of inline styles, you have to use the style. While writing of inline scripting, we have to use the event attributes. Event attributes. Event attributes. Yesterday also we raised this point. JavaScript executed in two timings. One while loading of the page. Second one is if any event triggered. Yesterday we discussed this point. Not explained. The Newton's the light, bulb, fan. A long back we discussed it, but yesterday just I rewinded the point. Not detailedly discussed, just rewinded it. If any event is triggered, then JavaScript is going to executing. That is called as inline script. And the script tags are whenever the page is loading, script tag is going to executing. External based on your linking process. First, we are starting with inline scripting, sir. First procedure, inline scripting. If I want to develop the inline scripting, first I need one tag, whatever it may be. Any tag is okay. Tag after event attribute. One event attribute. On click, on load, on mouse move, on mouse over, something like that. One event attribute equals to double quotations and right here JavaScript step and close the bracket. If you really remember previous explanation, this we used already 2 times or 3 times. So something tag on click equals to something. Any of the tag names are after that one event attribute equals to JavaScript code. Now remember, sir, this is inline script you are performing. And how many lines code we can implement, sir? And only one line is, sir. Remember that. Single line, single step you can develop. Only one step. Inline scripting, we can develop only one step. That's all. But if I want to run the more steps, sir, we need some other component to supports. Other component, other items required. This one I think supports only one. So see the first example on this inline scripting. No special, sir. Daily what I'm doing the same thing. Again, file menu, new file, HTML. HTML only. And these extra lines I'm removing. A small comment here. Example on JavaScript implementations. Example on JavaScript implementations. Everything is routine. JS1, JavaScript first example. And from today onwards, program saving name changing, sir. And which is HTML program, which is JavaScript program, easy identification. From today onwards, I'm going to saving like this. JavaScript 1, JavaScript 2, JavaScript 3, JavaScript 4, JavaScript up to something is comes. For your easy. Previous programs are example 1, example 2, example 3. No, sir, example series, you can continue, sir, and future you'll get identification problems. And plus one more also, while posting of the notes from today onwards, we'll get the separate folder, JavaScript folder. Because already in HTML folder inside, so many folders are increased. Yesterday, a lot of people, they are argued also. You are not posted notes, you are not posted notes. And from 19th January after, I'm never posted any notes. And one student at the variety talking. But fact what, sir, and then nothing is pending in the notes. But he's going to, one candidate is talked like that. After 19th January, you are not updated any notes, sir. The fact I don't know that one. But myself, I uploaded, sir. Confidently, I'm saying that one. If folders increase together, they have the visibility problem. Then only I'm creating one more separate folder, JavaScript. From today onwards, uploadings are comes inside that folder. And you don't touch the HTML folder because of the up to yesterday completed. So JavaScript inside today's uploadings are comes. I'll create the folder, not created. I'll create today, end of the class, JavaScript inside that programs. One small thing also, sir, dates I'm not using. Without dates, directly I'm posting the programs. A series continues together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A series continues, sir, as per the series, follow it. But all programs comes to one folder, visibility betterly comes. This type of unnecessary argument is not comes. Simple thing. Even yesterday, I said a lot of times, 7, 8 times, I said that one. I updated, and still they are arguing, not updated, not updated, not. And almost 850, 750, it will continues that argument. 750 after, then I closed the meeting. You are also feeling same, huh? Notes not uploaded. Huh? ఇగో ఇక్కడ మన క్యాండిడేట్స్ ఫీలింగ్ అనుకుంటా సేమ్. If you are feeling notes not uploaded అంటే you are simple thing. Without getting one day also deleting 100% 8 o'clock I'm posting your notes. Whenever the session completed, within 10 minutes I'm posting your notes in the Google without getting any delay. After that also still I'm getting comments, you are not posting, sir. What can I do, sir? They are saying like that. Sir, yesterday who said that notes not uploaded? At least today you found identified that one not identified in our drive notes. Are you found or still not found? Around 5 to 6 candidates, online candidates especially. Are you found the notes or not? Could you reply? Yes, sir. Nani, I remember your name. But you only said yesterday not uploaded, sir. I'm creating two buttons here, sir, for a demonstration of the inline script. So the first button on click, and here we are going to writing the alert. Alert inside a small message, sir. Button pushed. Button pushed. Alert close. What is this alert, sir? It's one of the predefined function of the JavaScript. It is one of the predefined function of the JavaScript. For what purpose, sir? To display the messages to user. Display some message to users as a special box. As a special box. And when this message is comes, sir, whenever you click on the button, a click, you are pushing or you are pinning the button like this, no? That is event, occasion. But generally, when you pin the button like that, button giving some noise guaranteed. How it is possible, sir? My friends are both are గట్టి గిచ్చు గట్టి గిచ్చు ఫోర్స్ఫుల్లీ గిచ్చువయ్యా గట్టిగా that is called as, so the pinching is called as the event. He making some noise కదా అబ్బా అని, that is called as the reaction. Every action there is equivalence to opposite reaction. So long back Newton said that one. Today also it is proved one more time. That same formula our JavaScript is continuous. That is yesterday yellow color I highlighted the point. Event is triggered, then only JavaScript is going to running. That event triggering is an occasion. For this occasion, I have to react it. The reaction is coming from this program. So this is the event, sir, and this is the reaction. When this reaction is comes, sir, when you face this event, and when you click on the button, then only there starts the reactions. If you are not clicking on the button, sir, that step never going to executing. So button heading push, button close. Next, one more button, sir, just practicing. On click equals to, once again alert, once again alert, and button pull. First message is pushed, second message is pulled. Both same events, sir. On click, on click. So when you click on the first button, we'll get message pushed. When you click on the second button, we'll get the message pulled. So first test these two. It's working or not. Program typing completed, sir. Not full program, some portion completed. Save this program. How, sir? js1.html. js1.html. JS1 not compulsory, sir. I'll follow some sequence names, sir. JS not interested, sir. Test.html, demo.html, sample.html. Anything is okay. So I saved with the name of this one. Run this one first. My program executed, sir. JavaScript executed or not executed? Huh? JavaScript not executed. JavaScript runs in two timings. One, while loading of the page. While loading of the page, not executing. What is the second occasion, sir? Event triggered. So JavaScript steps are waiting for your call. Next example, while loading of the page, JavaScript is going to executing. So two timings I'm going to covering it. First, click on the first button, sir. This white color box is called as the alert box. Geometry box, snacks box, like that alert box. The message what we have, sir, pushed we have. Okay, gone. Well, again, when it will come, sir, whenever you click on this button, again click the first button, button pushed. Test the second button also, sir, pull, button pulled. So two events are working and two events are executing also. This is inline scripting. How can say it's inline scripting, sir? My HTML tag, JavaScript step, both are in the same line. That is called as inline scripting. More information we'll see on tomorrow's session. Thank you all.